Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. My name is Shreya
And I'm Saurabh.
so right now we are at Muscat International Airport. We've just landed and we're waiting for our bus to Almina Street.
Yeah,
Where
this
our
is the Almina Street is a place near Matra Cornish. So this is like the most famous place in Muscat, where there is Matra Fort, Matra Cornish, Matra Souk, and all those places that you would have come across on other vlogs, which are very nearby from there. So we're going to take a bus to that place. We're just waiting for a bus right now at the airport. We took an early morning flight from Mumbai. And the price was unbelievable. You'd not believe it. It was what
it
was
was
it?
it was 9,898 post like a 5% cashback, so that's
Yeah.
close to 9,400. It's a very good deal, right? We'll also attach our ticket by the
Not a
side here.
clickbait at all. Not a clickbait at all.
Yeah, so our entire purpose is to ensure that we're doing a very budgeted trip, so that people can try to replicate it, and we'll keep you updated.
So this is the bus. It has just arrived. We have hardly waited 10 minutes for it. If you see the bus name, it says Ruby via Muscat. So we're gonna take this bus till Ruby, and from there we're gonna change the bus. We don't know the bus number yet. We'll get to know it there at Ruby.
Welcome back, everyone. We're seated in the bus, and we're now going towards Ruby Station, which is the main hub to all other bus stations, and then we'll change to Almina Street.
So guys, this is a Yemenis dish called fasa, made out of lamb, which we tried at a restaurant called Ghamdan Palace near Matra Cornish, and it was really good.
Hello again, guys. We are at Al Alam Palace, and we've come here from Matra Cornish.
Yeah, it was just a 8 minutes ride. We just took a cab from an app called O Taxi, which is like Oman Taxi. It's like a local Uber here. So if you want cabs at lower prices, that is the app to go to.
Alright, then we'll take you inside for a quick sneak.
See you there.
Alright, so we're done with this palace. It's a very beautiful palace, but unfortunately, they do not allow visitors inside for natural reasons. So now we are headed to.
Now we are headed to Al Mirani Fort, which we discovered while looking on the map, which is right next to it. We could see a glimpse of it, but we'll just take you there and show it to you.
Yes.
See you there. So this is the Al Alam Palace. I told you about Al Mirani Fort. So if you see towards the left of it, there's a path going towards there. So we're gonna walk towards there. I think it's gonna take us hardly 4 to 5 minutes to reach. Initially, the case was when so I had just returned from a trip, and Shreya texted me saying Muscat ke tickets बहुत सस्ते मिल रहे हैं, जाना है क्या? And when she had checked at the time, it was 11.5k or something to and from. And then I started looking at the place, and I also got intrigued. Okay, and then we were on a video call one day, and we were just checking the prices, and we saw it has gone down to 9.8k. That's when we decided now we are gonna book this, and that's how we finalized this trip.
True. And in all honesty, post that, we noticed that the price had gone even lower to 9,500.
Yeah.
Now that's the O taxi we were talking about. These are orange colored, white and orange basically, and they're available everywhere. Equivalent of Uber for us, I know. And yeah, Saurabh would like to now narrate what exactly happened with us. Okay, super interesting.
Okay.
Let me just interview.
Okay, so we found the way to go in. We read about the history of the fort, but the moment we entered, there was a ticket counter and we asked what is the price for 2 tickets. So he said 7.7 Omani Riyal per person. Now, when you translate it into INR for 2 people, it was over 3.5k. So we took a thought and basically what we already know about the place is that you get good views of the ocean from the top of the fort, but then उसके लिए तो मथुरा फोर्ट भी है यार, तो we will cover that. And we also saw other people contemplating whether they should take it or not, so I think we made a good decision of not going in because the prices were exorbitant.
So now we are walking towards another fort. Not sure of the names, we're just searching. But meanwhile, I'll just run you through the story. Okay, so our entire purpose of making these vlogs is so that we can travel around the world in the most cost-effective manner, right? So we kept a budget of 35,000 and we're trying not to exceed it. So most of our hotels, travel, and the choice of not visiting certain locations such as the one we spoke about is so that we can get the best of everything in the lowest cost possible. So you will see there's always a trade-off. Fair. Or we are hoping ki, people can know about how you can travel internationally at relatively lower prices and you don't really need to spend exorbitantly. So that's the whole purpose of the video. And also one of the main things is that we want to just have a record of everything so that in the future we can always go back and watch our olden videos and just be like, relish them. Hello guys, welcome back. We are at Mithra Fort right now and we've come here after very nice lunch. However,
so in order to reach the fort, you'll have to do this small, I'd say small, Shreya ka pata nahi abhi, but
what's small?
yeah, it's a small hike to the top of the fort and we'll get to see a good 360-degree view of the city. So we are hoping it's nice. We took a cab here from Al Mirani Fort, and again it was O taxi, again costed 1.1 riyal. We're just halfway through the hike to Mithra Fort and we've come across this thing wherein people have written all their wishes and the things they want to achieve in life. So if you see here, it's all the cute messages written in different languages. There's English, there's Chinese, there's Urdu, all those things. Somebody has written that they want to make their mom proud one day. Somebody has just wished for peace, if you can see here. So nice, quite interesting.
God's most beautiful
आपको भी कुछ लिखना है यहाँ पे?
emotion. Yeah?
I wish that my Allah and my family accepts my love for him, and we are happily married. Oh, God doesn't listen.
Heartbroken.
No, don't lose hope. एक दिन किल हो जाएगी अपने आप. Okay, we are finally at the top. How are you feeling, Shreya?
Top of the world.
Okay, I'll just take you through the view.
और ये है ओमान का एक पुराना और आइकॉनिक मार्केट, द मत्रा सूक.
सूक मतलब बेसिकली मार्केट. सो यहाँ पहले इंडियन, पर्शियन और अफ्रीकन ट्रेडर्स काफ़ी आते थे, और आज भी यहाँ पे इफ़ यू सी इंडियन पॉपुलेशन काफ़ी है. वी केम अक्रॉस अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल फ्रॉम केरला, भूटान, पाकिस्तान.
और अगर आप यहाँ आएंगे तो पहले आपने डेफिनेटली ओमानी हलवा और फ्रेश डेट्स ट्राई करने हैं. ये यहाँ की स्पेशलिटी है.
हाँ, ओमानी हलवा इज़ अ डेलिकेसी दैट वी ट्राइड, जो सैफरन, रोज़ वाटर, कार्डमम ये सब यूज़ करके बनाते हैं. और यहाँ की ओमानी कॉफ़ी तो मस्ट है यार. मतलब आई वोंट से इट्स रियली रियली गुड, बट ट्राई करने के लिए ट्राई कर लो एक बार.
यहाँ हर जगह आपको एक नया एक्सपीरियंस दिखेगा. स्पाइसेस, अत्तर, टेक्सटाइल्स, बहुत वाइब्रेंट जगह है.
एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू बार्गेन, क्योंकि ऑफ कोर्स वो टूरिस्ट देख के प्राइसेस तो ज़्यादा ही बोलेंगे, बट हाँ, बार्गेनिंग इज़ द वे टू गो. सो वी केम टू दिस रेस्टोरेंट फॉर डिनर कॉल्ड अरूस अल बहार. यहाँ पे वी जस्ट पिक्ड वॉट एवर वी वांटेड, एंड उसके वेट के हिसाब से उन्होंने प्राइसिंग करी थी.
We had a combination of a lot of things here except for the lobster, by the way. And यहाँ पे एक 7 रियाल्स के अराउंड हुआ था, which in Indian rupees is 1600 rupees.
And the food was amazing.
Alright, now that we have reached the end of the first day, here's a quick breakdown of the pricing. And remember, this is per person. Alright, so number one is flights. That was 9,400 per person with cashback. We got it from SBI cashback card of Saurabh's. Then it is hotels. It was 4,100 per person for all the days. Third is the visa, 3,500 per person, and we got a discount because 2 people were booking together. So this totals up to 17,000 per person. Now you know our budget was 35,000. So 35,000 में से 18,000 बच गए थे अभी. Now with this 18,000 per person, our plan was to do the activities, local transportation and food. Alright, so for the hotels, where do we stay?
So for hotels, I booked them through Agoda. So there's a hotel called Riam Hotel, which is very near to Matra. Matra is the place that we took you along today. So walkable distance पे सब कुछ है, Matra Cornish, Matra Souk and everything. So that way, this is something that you can look at. For Nizwa, we stayed at a Salem Nizwa hostel, which will be coming in next video.
Okay, so now the currency exchange rate. So we carry 20,000 Indian rupees between the two of us. मतलब एक साथ 20,000 हमने उसको कन्वर्ट किया ओमानी रियाल में. वी गॉट 230 का एक्सचेंज रेट. ओके, नॉट द बेस्ट दो. एंड वी ऑल्सो कैरीड सम मनी इन आवर DCB न्यू एक्सचेंज, DCB न्यू फॉरेक्स कार्ड, सेफ साइड. Alright, so that was about currency exchange rate.
So about the places that we visited today, we tried to cover everything we can from Muscat. सिर्फ एक चीज़ मिस हो गई थी, which is Sultan Qaboos Mosque. Reason being, we landed here on a Thursday morning. By the time we reached the hotel, we got to know कि the mosque is only open from Monday to Thursday and only till 11 a.m. for non-Muslims, that is. So since our travel days were from Thursday to Sunday night, we could not cover that. So keep that in mind when you are planning your travel.
Talk about wrong decisions. And now coming to the last part, the weather. The weather was amazing. Mornings were super pleasant. Warm days and nights were nicely cool. So I think it was the best period. We went in January. Usually they say October to February is like the best period.
We'll be covering the rest of the places in next couple of vlogs. So stay tuned.
For more such budget travel videos,
Follow our YouTube channel
and like, share, and subscribe.
with your friends, family, and whoever you find.